Hello! In this video tutorial we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV smartphone. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the settings. Here, go for the apps category. At the apps category, go for the default apps, browser app, and in here just tap on Opera, therefore setting it as the default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, then on this gear icon that stands for settings, and at the settings page just scroll down for a little bit and find the default browser section which you need to tap on, click on next and select Opera, and finalize the setting Opera as our default browser by tapping on this option, just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.